Chapter 7.2 List Manipulation in Pygame 0. 9. How to reverse order of list.
How can I sort the items in the list in descending order by another method?
You can sort the items in the list in descending order using the reverse method. The reverse method can reverse the items of the list. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code sorts the items in the list in descending order using the reverse method. Let's run this code. The items in the list are drawn in descending order of alphabets.